Today we're at Warner Bros. Studios.
The making of Harry Potter for their sold out event, Dark Arts. During this Halloween event, we got a few challenges to complete.
I solemnly swear I'm up to no good.
The first challenge, count all the floating pumpkins in the Great Hall.
And welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter during our Dark Arts feature. Please make your way all the way to the room for me, using all the space around you. Thank you.
One,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
20.
There is actually 100 floating pumpkins in the Great Hall. And each jack-o'-lantern face has been handcrafted by the prop making department, so they all have their own unique expressions.
We have the costumes of our 4 Hogwarts house ghosts. Now, just on the end over there, we have the Bloody Baron, Slytherins, that is your house ghost. Next up is the Hufflepuff house ghost, that is the Fat Friar, just next to him there. Finally, we have the costume of the ghost of Gryffindor house, and that is Sir Nearly Headless Nick. Now, this is a special version of this costume called Twirl, meaning it's an early idea of the costume that they're going to use, and it's using that early stages of the design process. And finally, something that has not been seen in the Great Hall before, we have Nearly Headless Nick's head. This is what we call a maquette, and it was used by the visual effects department to bring to life Nearly Headless Nick.
Now we've counted all the pumpkins, now let's have some pumpkin treats. For this Dark Arts event, they have some limited edition snacks and treats, so let's go and have a taste. First up is pumpkin pasties with butterbeer cream. Very tasty, it's kind of like a shortbread, and also the cream. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll give it a 3 out of 5 pumpkins. What about you, Kiara? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Good.
Weird.
Next up at the Chocolate Frog Cafe, we're going to try some cupcakes. So, Hagrid's pumpkin, I'll give this a 5 out of 5 pumpkins for me, as it tastes like coffee and pumpkin, and I love coffee and pumpkin.
It's quite nice.
Yeah?
Very coffee.
Good. This is the I Must Not Tell Lies cupcake, and it's rank. It had a weird aftertaste of perfume.
How many pumpkins would you rate this?
0.
We'll give it at least 1.
No, it's rank.
That is enough treats for now. If I see any more, I might just... Oh no. For next challenge, we gotta find Bogart the Clown. Whoa. Next challenge, let's go and find some Death Eaters.
Please stand aside and make way for the Death Eaters. The Vanishing Cabinet, as seen here from Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, allowed secret passage for the Death Eaters into Hogwarts. Designed to be both mysterious and threatening, with its simple yet strong silhouette, it stood out as one of the most legendary dark props seen throughout the Harry Potter films. As faithful followers of the Dark Lord, the Death Eaters struck fear into the hearts of many. As the Dark Mark appears, so they are summoned by the Dark Lord himself to do his bidding. It falls to the bravest witches among us to combine their power and defeat the Death Eaters.
Now let's go into the Forbidden Forest to face the Dementors. Ooh.
Now don't worry, this is as far as they will go, so you're absolutely fine. But they are still quite intimidating. Now, I don't know about the rest of you, but I actually quite enjoy having my happy memories, so I would like them not to hang around for too long. So can anybody tell me the spell that we need to get rid of a Dementor?
Expecto
What is it?
Patronum!
Expecto Patronum and fantastic. So what we need to do is if you have a wand, get your wand out, and if not, don't worry because you can use magic with just your empty hand as well. And I need every single person here to take a moment to think of your happiest memory, okay? So go right into your mind and come up with a happy memory and get ready to banish those dementors. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, Expecto Patronum! And with a little bit of help from Harry as well, there you go, you've successfully banished those dementors.
Hello.
Get your one. Bye bye, Kiara. Have fun at Hogwarts. Bye bye.
Next up, trying butterbeer. Oh yeah.
Butterbeer, not root beer. Lovely. No.
That cream soda.
Butterbeer.
There's that ice cream. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Did you not hear it? And the next task is to pull out a mandrake.
Oh.
36! But last year I had 37!
Dobby?
but it kind of gives you the idea. So this is just one colour.
Goblin!
Oh, look.
Aragog.
Oh look, a roller coaster! And now the last thing to see, Hogwarts Castle. Not Castlestein, Castle. Yeah, it's been a great day. We have completed all our dark arts challenges and it has been a great event. If you have liked the video, of course, give it a like and maybe consider subscribing. So thank you guys. And one last thing to say.
Happy Halloween. Gryffindor.
What house am I in?
Hufflepuff. That's ridiculous.
For a cloak?
I mean, it does feel the right quality, but
I don't know, it don't feel too
Yeah,
great.
but I mean, better than something you get off like Amazon.
For nearly 80 quid. Wow. What about this?
55. No, wait, what? Yeah.
Or 60.
And Fantastic Beasts. It's a puppet.